I'm Nikki Paquette. I teach in the Symphony neighborhood at Pankalo Education Center with 4th through 6th graders. I've been trying to incorporate more STEM lessons into my daily routine. The kids really enjoy it, lots of hands-on activities.
Well, the B-bot is like a thing that does coding, so you press go to run it, and you press the X to clear it out.
With the B-bots and the Codapillars, they were designing mazes for them to go through. They had to use a lot of coding, a lot of math, and a lot of trial and error. Lots of the kids get frustrated if maybe something doesn't work right away, but they did a really good job of persevering and working through it. Alex, what's one way that you prepare to make your maze?
I cut up the pieces of paper into fourths so I can just lay them down as one.
I really liked that they did a lot of planning. Some of the kids can be really impulsive and they'll make moves right away, whether it be academically or socially, and they really sit and plan out what they're going to do before they do it, and it really makes them kind of think before they act.
I'll make more pieces.
I'm basically just gonna go forward twice, then right turn, left turn, then right turn and left turn again, and then forward. I just hope it doesn't run into my desk.
I just really like seeing how engaged and focused they are. This population works really well with hands-on activities, so I've been really trying hard to incorporate more of those. Most of my students think outside the box anyway, so this is kind of an opportunity for them to show really what they're made of and really what they can do. Was the goal for him to stop right before the